Hey family! Hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy Valentine's Day gifts that you can make and that are very affordable and they're cute. All right, so first, some of the supplies we're going to need. You're going to need just one bouquet of roses, and most of these items I got from Dollar Tree, and I got them when they were $1. So just take one of these bouquets of roses. We're going to need a packet of 7-piece heart picks. Going to need a vase. Going to need some ribbon. All this came from Dollar Tree. Got these loot bags, and you can use one of these 2-piece gift bags. Okay, now the first idea is, if you ever go to Dollar Tree, they have these pedestals here, these heart-shaped pedestals. They have them in a white, red, and pink. The white one, okay, you can quickly take one of these, put 3 candles on there. I only had, but I would prefer you use all 3 red or 3 of the white. This is just all I had left right now. So just take 3 of the candles and pluck one of the roses from your bouquet. Stick it in the middle. And I like to, like the pedestal, I like to give it, add a ribbon to it so that when they open it up, they still have a gift, like, you know, something decorated. Okay, let me turn that around. You can just keep it like that. Just, yeah, make a little bow. And we're going to put it in a loot bag. So that's just $1. $2 for the candles. They come in a set of 4. And 1 rose from your dollar bouquet. Now, and I like to keep the rose out like this. Take one of these twist ties from the packet, from the loot bag. No, that's not going to be good enough. But use, you know, like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes only. Use 3 red candles or 3 white. That's what I recommend. I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, we're going to curl the ribbon. And we can tape the little ends down. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute for a teacher, or you know, your mail lady, or someone you just met, you know, you just started dating. You know, you don't want to do too much right now, you know, and they don't want candy. So you got everything. You got candles, you got a pedestal, you have a rose. So that's cute. So here are some of the other ones that I've done. This one is just candles only. Cost $2. You can sell these for $5. And then this one is all red. Cost $1 for the pedestal, $2. You know, little over $2. Sell it for $5. Give them as gifts. All right. Okay, now the next one is, I used one of these. Let me take the candy out and show you how it looks. Okay, take one of these vases, and you take the little teddy bear. This is the Fuzzy Friends teddy bear from Dollar Tree. And take some elastic and, you know, bind the little teddy bear around the vase. And then cover that elastic with some curling ribbon. I made a bow with some curling ribbon. All right. And then I make sure that, you know, he's prominently positioned on there. Got his little bow showing. And then stick one of these little, stick one of those in there. Then on the other side, have a rose. Put any type of candy. I'm putting chocolates in here. Now this is cute. Like, let me show you. I'm putting all chocolates in here because I want the little motif to show through. If you put like red candy in there, you won't be able to really see the red. So just drop the best chocolates that you can find. And this gift would be good for like a teacher, or like if you're going to, like my mom always says, you know, don't forget like the people in nursing homes, and because I'm getting a lot more family members that are going to assisted living. And this is good like if you go to visit your loved one in a nursing home or an assisted living, you know, give that to the staff. You know, and they'll keep that at, I used to be a nurse's aide, and we used to love it when some of the residents would, you know, give us little treats, and you keep it at the nurse's station, and the nurses in between their breaks or whatever can grab a piece of candy. And so that's good for that. Or, you know, just, yeah, your co-workers. I was that person on the job when I worked at AT&T, and I was in IT, but I was still always that girly girl that, you know, everyone could come and get a piece of candy. I was the candy lady. So, you know, this is a good way to, you know, have this. You can give this, put this at your coffee station, at your job, on your desk. Everyone comes through, holler at you, grab a piece of candy. So, you know, so that's number 2. All right, it's cute. All right, let me put this one aside. And the last one I'm going to show you is, this one's quick and easy. You just get some Prosecco, champagne, or what are they calling this? This is sparkling wine, and put that in one of these wine chillers and stuff it full of shred. That shred is magnetic. It gets everywhere. I think maybe I may have an electronic charge or something, because it just sticks to me. Okay, so fill it full of shred. Put your little champagne in there, and then make a little bag of goodies. These are hard rock candies and some Hershey's Kisses. Stick that in there. It's quick and easy. These are normally like $5, maybe $6 each. Or just put one bottle of wine. But, you know, this is cute if if you're just meeting someone, or someone invited you over for a party, party of two. Just, take over a little snack. Now, that's one thing. When me and my husband first started dating, he was no joke. He always came over with some nice snacks. He never came over empty-handed. So, just be a little thoughtful. Just don't think you're going to get lucky, just by showing up. Sometimes, just, it's not the fact that you're spending money that women respond to. It's the fact that you were thoughtful. So, you might, you guys want a little sip throughout the night. And if you're coming in, just, bring a little something, something. This was probably, to see, I got these for $3.50, but you get them 5, 10, 11, 12. This might cost $15 at the most. Okay. So I'm just going to show you everything that we did today. Aren't these cute, inexpensive, and beautiful, and thoughtful? I'm getting all this, clearing my workstation. Okay guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in. This concludes today's video on how to create quick and easy Valentine's Day gifts. And I want to thank you for tuning in. And if you're new, hello and welcome. And I welcome you to subscribe. You can like this video. Doesn't cost you anything. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. This is day 1 of my series of Valentine's Day. So we're going to be doing gifts, gift baskets for Valentine's Day, how to throw a party, and just different Valentine's Day content. So this is day 1. So thank you guys so much, and see you in my next video. And bye, Mom.